Hello everyone, and thank you all so much for joining me once again. Today I have the first of 4 books that I found recently that I just thought were pretty cool, and I might try my hand at some of the stuff. I don't know. I thought about trying to learn to make some furniture and stuff because it would help with things like bookshelves and stuff, because I don't really have a lot of money for stuff like that. So when I came across these, I thought they were pretty neat. And another thing that I thought was neat about them is that the most recent copyright date on them is 1982, and that was the year I was born, so I'm slightly partial to that year. But it just gives instructions on so many different things that I know absolutely nothing about, that would be helpful to know if I wanted to try and make anything like this myself. So if I end up doing that, maybe I'll make some videos about that as well. And that'll do it for today. Thank you all so much for stopping by. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, night, weekend, whenever you're catching this. And remember, always make time for yourselves, because you matter too. Bye.